Alright, we're going to try something new. This is how I kind of usually do my things. We're going to go through different markets and see what we look at. So we're going to go ahead and look at gold again. I know I've already done a video recently about gold. We just want to keep a quick update on what we're seeing. So gold kind of just dropping that small price. I'm going to go ahead and make my take profit if it does keep dropping. If I don't be able to make the trade when I go to sleep, if it mentally hits it, that's fine. This line right here I'm showing you, if gold continues to drop, I think it might do a sharp reversal around that bottom area and then continue to ramp back up to where our original, tap out is. I would say your resistance, whatever it's called. So we're gonna go to GP and JPY. Don't worry about these lines. Let me go ahead and delete them real quick. Now with oil being probably going high, I think the pound pairs are going to have a much stronger influence on it. But look at this pass, I don't know how long, the pound has been dropping, but just immaculate drop. Maybe we'll have a beautiful recovery, we don't know, but that's something to keep your eye out on. Let's see. Odd US, I compare odd US to gold, but more of a currency wise, because I like to see what's going on. Maybe if it's really backed by gold, we'll see what's really happening. I'm drawing this line to show you, this is a pattern I see. Just zooming out, I can see a downwards pattern, and that's where I feel like it's going to start. Now, my analysis with this may not be correct. Why I think that is because, look, I'm just going to go draw another support line or another trend line, but in this area I feel like it's going to consolidate up and down because it's the odd US. It barely moves, and when it does, it moves so slow and just everywhere. It's just messy constantly. This small little trend line I'm drawing is another pattern I'm seeing to the downside, but I don't have any real confluence other than that white doji. That's all I got. Odd US is still crazy out there for me. No, let's not look at that. What else? Okay, yeah, oil. So here's oil again. I'm gonna draw my support and resistance line on that doji you see right there in front of you. For me, I feel like if it bounces off of that and keeps going up, that's a perfect buy still. Now, do I really want to hit that support area that I mentioned in, the random update market video that was less than a minute? This is where I would like to see oil hit before it wraps back up. This around that area is probably the perfect time to buy oil, just because I feel like it's going to need to retest that big drop. I mean, the big up run, not drop, my bad. That big run up. So oil's still going to be a good buy for me. We're going to move on to indices. We got the JPY, we got the US dollar, and then I think we also got the Aussie. So we're going to go through this. The US 100 UK version, for me, this is just probably going to go back to a massive uptrend or downtrend, but I would get ready for a downtrend. I mean, it shows hard readiness, but that's a bullish upside. Look at that reversal. And that's just my opinion. I feel like it might go up. The yen currency. So the yen has been just going everywhere. Recently, we just had a major drop on the day chart. I think this is probably the beginning of the selling of the yen after the inflation rate came out and everything. 381.35 is probably an area I would love to keep an eye out on. If it's a sell, I would love to keep it down that level, just because, I'm seeing the pattern just slowly dropping and not making any real effort to climb back up. What else is there? Aussie. So Aussie, wow. Let me go ahead and try a new chart for you guys. Maybe this might be better instead of me drawing all these little lines. I forgot which one. I think it was standard deviation channel. Yes, it was. Sorry, this is taking a minute. What I'm doing is I'm trying to draw out exactly what I'm seeing for you guys, so I don't have to explain. I'm really bad at explaining, but this is the current trend I'm seeing. I hate red. I'm gonna change it to white. White 4 pixels. There we go. Yeah, boy. Alright. Clearly we can see a standard deviation, right? Now, is it at its all-time high? Is it about to break up? It's all up to gold at this point on this, currency. Let's